This is all boiling down to the single point issue, GVL Narasimha Rao, that the opposition claims we were not heard on Pegasus. There was no debate on Pegasus. That's where this breakdown began. And it has culminated yesterday in these unprecedented, unfortunate scenes. You are part of the Rajya Sabha, Mr. Narasimha Rao. Could the government not have sorted this out? I asked this to the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. Pegasus is the P word. The P word that no one wants to hear this time in Parliament.
I think, Raj, the reality is that the opposition, led by the Congress party, and these days also being guided by the Trinamool Congress party, never wanted a discussion on anything. Right from the word go, they only wanted to create mayhem. They only wanted to disrupt Parliament. That was a part of their strategy. Today, when they stand exposed before the entire country, they're trying to sing a different tune. I think the real Darpok leader is known to the people of this country. We have right on day one, the IT minister came forward suo moto to make a statement on the Pegasus, which could have followed a question answers between the opposition and the minister concerned. In Rajya Sabha, haven't you witnessed a Trinamool Congress member grabbing the statement from the minister and did not even allow the minister to read the statement? And certainly the protocol in Rajya Sabha or in Lok Sabha is after the statement is made by the minister, opposition members or members of the House have a right to question or right to seek clarifications from the minister. They did not do it. And even on repeat occasions thereafter, chairman told them that if you want to have a discussion on this, I will call the minister and you can seek clarifications from the minister. I think this opposition, never wanted the House to run. It's a conspiracy by the opposition to hijack democracy.
Okay, that's a very it's a conspiracy. That's a very serious charge again to say conspiracy to hijack democracy. But Pawan Kheda, yes, since you will complain that you won't get enough time, respond to that, because the charge, and Prahlad Joshi has also said this today, that the opposition from day one wanted in a way to make this monsoon session, a place where they could only have their voice heard. The government says, Tali do haath se bachti hai. The government says that you too have a responsibility. Why did you raise the economy? Why did you raise price rise? Why did you raise farm laws? You wanted a single point debate on Pegasus.
Rajdeep, please ask any of your friends who is an MP, not belonging to the BJP, or perhaps belonging to the BJP off record, they may tell you. What did the government do in the BSc and what did they do in the Parliament? Exact opposite of what was decided in the BSc. Now, if I want, as an MP, to raise a particular issue under
BSc stand, just a minute, for our viewers, BSc is the Business Advisory Committee where decisions are taken, what is going to be discussed in Parliament. Go ahead, Mr. Kheda, because the charge is that you actually allowed the government to get away by not raising issues like fuel prices and economy with your single point focus on Pegasus.
Rajdeep, when Rahul Gandhi goes on a tractor to the Parliament, was he talking about the Pegasus? Or when he goes on a cycle to the Parliament, was that Pegasus? We raised all our issues. Or when Rahul Gandhi goes to visit the family of the rape victim,